Give it a nice little spin. Ooh, wait. Did I overfill it? Oh gosh. Wait, what did I just do? I messed up. I did something wrong.
So I want to make some orange chicken. And I'll make a Jamaican drink with it as well. Okay. And I even bought Panda Express to compare too. I even bought some Panda Express to compare. Whew. Got some broccoli. Making some broccoli with it as well. So let's see what's the next. I usually have my apron with me, but I don't have it today. So it's gonna feel a little weird. Not even gonna lie. Already got the oil ready. Everything's ready to go. So let's see. Hold on. Okay. I don't know what I'm doing. This is gonna be my first time like making something like this. Like I even got the Panda Express bag, snack and everything. But I already got the recipe out. It's just gonna take a minute to prep. Got chicken thighs out, man. Chicken thighs out. This was not bad price too. It was like $2.60 for like a pound and a half. And that's the right amount I need. The right amount. I'm gonna need to cut the chicken up and de-skin it. Cause yeah, I'm not finna eat orange chicken with the skin on it, bro. Cause what the frick? Okay. I'm gonna start taking out everything and get ready. Gonna cut up chicken, my boy. I'm not even gonna cut these any smaller. Not even gonna lie to you, bro. I expected more chicken. Way more. For this little piece? Who the hell is gonna feed? Not to be a big bag, but like, it should have been more. But I'm not tripping. Next time, I just know that I need at least 3 pounds. Because this is 1.5 pounds. Should have got double. Okay. Take one glove off. Let's pick this up that I dropped. This kitchen got no room. Get some vinegar on that chicken. Not too much really. I don't really care. But it has to have a little bit at least. Where is the lime juice? Let's see. Okay. I'm gonna change my gloves like 20 times. And this is what we end up with. Chicken dried out. You gotta add a little bit of MSG. Wait, before I even do that, let me see what the video says. Because I don't really care to the video when it comes to the seasoning part. But this is out of my range. I might add some MSG. Okay. Some MSG. Hiya. Let me stop. Hopefully Uncle Roger approves. I don't know how much I need to add really. Let me do a little bit more. I'm gonna put that there. My first chicken. Start with the flour, then the egg, and then with the flour again. Okay. That's the first one. Let's clean my counter real quick before I continue. You gotta do it on the floor because floors are garbage. Even when food drops on it. No, I'm just kidding. I obviously put it in the trash. That's how I look like. I wanna know how he fried them though. That's my curiosity part though. I fried them for 3 to 5 minutes, so they shouldn't be that fried. Okay. Heard. Let's hope I don't ruin this. Let's hope I don't ruin it. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. I'll do 6. Fuck it. I'll do 5 at a time. Yeah, don't scare me, please, like that. I need to get something. Oh, wait, I got this for a reason. What am I doing? I'm getting scared for it for no reason. I bought a product just so that. I'm gonna need to use like 2 of these. I'm putting it in here. Put the fried chicken in that bowl right here. No way, I already got something right for it. What am I doing? I can use this for something else. Maybe a little too hot, question mark. Woo, it's killing me. Maybe like this. Woo! First batch down. I feel like I should leave them like that. Like I did good. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cover that. It looks golden like this. This other video made it look golden white. That's a good job. It's not full on cooked yet, but you know, getting there. A little too early, but it doesn't hurt. All right, time for the next round. Round 2. Fight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I'm gonna do it 6 at a time. I want to cut for one of these chickens real quick. It's almost fried. It's fully cooked almost. All it needs to do is cook after with the pot cooking up with the orange chicken or whatever. Man, I can't explain it. When it's time to make the sauce and stuff, I'm making a pot and I'm gonna walk it up, cook it up, you know, not too crazy. And let's see, bye. And let's see. Then I'm gonna make this sauce, but I'm gonna make some broccoli. Hello, Skibidi. No, I'm playing. What's up? You want some white rice? Okay. Guess I'm rushed this for no reason. I'm almost done. Not yet. Let me see. I'm gonna use a different knife for this one. Damn loud ass sips, bro.
I'm gonna suck you tonight.
Yay! What the hell? What the hell? It's funny as hell. Off camera, I act just like that, but on camera, I'm just all chill. I mean, I don't know. Wait, what?
He said, "Oh my jars!" I wonder what that's from. You must be asleep. You must be asleep.
Yeah. Oh, wait. No, I'm just overthinking
You
it.
good, bud.
My bad, gang.
Babe, you didn't rinse it off. What do you think this is? Babe, what that little piece of chicken that? Where the rest of the chicken at?
It's cooking.
No way. That looks like you got barely any meat.
Well, it's enough on me.
Mm-hmm. I need lunch for tomorrow.
Okay.
How many phones do you know? Did you use all of the meat?
Yes.
That's all of the chicken thighs.
Yes, it's
That's
1.5 pounds.
That's crazy.
It says double fermented or some junk. I got regular, that's less sodium, boy. One orange. Ah, here comes the hard part. I need a zest, the whole orange. This is gonna be an annoying part if I'm being real honest with you. But you gotta do what you gotta do. I wanna make some good chicken. The spoon I'm using today, Winnie the Pooh. I don't know if it's gonna be focused on it or not. Greens. Dude, this is huge, bro. I get. Whew. That for. Hopefully it's not too long.
But here you go. Almost done. Let's make this lo mein. Honestly, I never make this. Never. Oh, I should have had this last. What am I doing? Some sauce, because mind you, I get this at my job. Alright. Should I get a bigger pot? I need a wok. While that's cooking, and put this up. Put this up. Cause I want to make a drink as well. There we go. Boom. While this little man's cooking up, because I don't know how to make it. Missing something, but I don't know what. Maybe a little spice. Maybe a little spice. Some all-purpose seasoning as well. Almost done. Drinks I'm making includes these. I know I need some vanilla. Where the cinnamon? I'm looking for the damn cinnamon, bro. Bro, I can't find the cinnamon. Come on, bro. I know this is included. Just start putting everything up. Is a blender in here? Nope. It's right here. It's already clean, but I'm gonna give it a good rinse. Okay. Let me stop. I look like a tweaker, bro. Level 5 tweaker, bro. Ooh, I might have to plug something out, maybe. Not. So, this juice I drink as a kid in Jamaica. Not saying, I mean, I've tried it. It contains liquor. I'm not trying to say I was raised with some liquor, but I've tried. It's called a Guinness punch, if I'm not wrong. I don't remember what it was called as a kid. I don't remember the name, but people call it Guinness punch. And I love Guinness. I love Guinness. When I say I'll be drinking Guinness to anybody, they'll be like, Guinness is disgusting. I'm like, really? Man, this is a Jamaican thing right here, bro. You know what I'm saying? Put all of it though. Ooh, wait. Did I overfill it? Oh gosh. Wait, what did I just do? I messed up. I did something wrong. Ooh, oh shit. Maybe I should have just did a way less. I need a jar. Damn, what did I messed up on something. Something wasn't right. Okay, I'm gonna do that amount first. If I remember correctly, honestly, this is going off by a literal few minute video. And what I remember what it tastes like. My mother puts oats in it. I'm put a little. I don't want to put too much in it. I'll try with a little bit because if I put too much, it's cooked. But if I put too little, I can always add some more. There's some vanilla. If I can open this damn thing, I'm gonna put 2 capfuls. Who doesn't love vanilla, bro? Because I do. I'm a vanilla addict. And the rest of this condensed milk I'm gonna put in there. There ain't much left. It's almost done. I use this like often as hell, so you gotta know. I'm not gonna put all of it though. Let me be light with it first and try it. And if I like it, it's good. But if I don't, I can always add more. See many glasses I got. While you're cooking, some orange chicken. trying to see if I can cook better than Panda Express. I even got the Panda Express right here to compare. That sounds good. It does. I tried it so far. It's good. I even got the little one. You know, like fortune cookies and stuff. Panda Express orange chicken is good. Oh, sure is. Love it. I don't know what I used to cut this. Got these for them specifically. So you know, I mean business. Alright. Maybe made some lo mein. Chow mein. I'm not going back to Clash of Clans. I have been playing NASCAR 25. That sounds fun. Alright guys, so the moment of truth is here. This is my orange chicken right here, and this is Panda Express. Panda Express. Let's see which one tastes the best. And I'm gonna be straight up. It's obviously gonna be the homemade, but let me just see. Okay, Panda Express chicken, really soft, really supple, sweet, not too crazy. Can't hate on it. Let's try my chicken. Still trying to learn how to use chopsticks. Woo! Let's go. Nah, I'm playing. It was good. I love my chicken, got that little crunch to it. Got that nice amount of sauce. It tastes like this, just more seasoned. It tastes more real. I don't know what to say. I love it. Panda Express orange chicken is still goated. I'm still gonna go there. Anytime I don't feel like making this, this took me like what, 2 hours? I should have prepped it though, but I didn't. But yeah, 2 hours. Got some lo mein I made. I need to try lo mein. Hold on. Let me get my chopstick that dropped. Hold on. Let's try the lo mein. Not bad. I don't know what to expect with lo mein. How to make lo mein. This is my first time making this. It's good. Doesn't taste bad. Add a little spice to it to make it taste good. Broccoli on the side, not too crazy. If I had to rate this, bro, it's a 9 out of 10. Hands down, 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10. Let's see. Panda Express chicken is obviously gonna be an 8 out of 10 too. Because who doesn't love it? It's goated.